Hey y'all, yes, I am. I am sick. I haven't decided whether it's the flu or a cold, but it is extremely miserable. Started yesterday with a sore throat. It progressively got worse throughout the day. I had a fever yesterday. I don't right now because I took some medicine, but my nose started to tickle. I decided I'd make a video and then do some out for you all today, like right now. So here you go, while I feel like shit. Sorry, I have to like blow my nose off it because they're really messy. As well, I'm sick. What do you expect? And the cold or whatever this is so bad that my mucus also has blood in it, but it's not a bloody nose, but it has blood in it. I don't understand. Oh my god, so much mucus. So much mucus. The amount of mucus I'm able to produce is actually probably quite impressive. Oh. I don't know what happened, my mic cut out and now it's like weird. I'm gonna have to continue this later, guys, because I feel really lightheaded now. Yeah, I'll make another wave, hopefully longer. I wanted this to be like long, but I feel horrible.